YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today got a case video for y'all. Got my S21 on deck and the Phantom Gray, and today we got a case from Cyrill. That's how I pronounce it, guys. Cyrill. You can say Cyrill, whatever, but I'm gonna say Cyrill. It just sounds better. They have a lot of dope cases. I done did a lot of leather cases from them. Pretty good case company. I think they up under Speeding. So I just wanted to bring y'all some more stuff from them guys. And today we got a case for my S21. And the color is called Brick. This is like a TPU bumper, like clear case, transparent case. Thanks to Amazon, we do have a damaged package, but this is the package that you will see, and this is the package it comes in. But I guess the Amazon driver was having a rough day, and there we go. That's how I received it. But yeah, so share your Cyrill moment. So we definitely gonna post this to the IG, the BG_Tech Life IG. Go ahead, follow that. And yeah, guys. So let's just go ahead and just take a look at what we got here. It's made in China, but designed, I think, in Irvine, California. Gonna pull on this tab, guys, get this case out of here. Yeah, so we got the case and some clear packaging, per usual, of a lot of case manufacturers. Oh, okay, and we got some color changing buttons, guys. So let me fight with this, guys. And this is normally y'all be like, oh, your nails, you need to cut your nails. But sometimes the nails come in handy, guys. But here we go. We got the case by Cyrill. This is kind of like a TPU, as you can see, and we can change the buttons, guys. I love cases where you can swap the buttons out for different colors and things of that nature. I like that type of customization. So here we go. We got a little pamphlet, quality cases for your everyday. Cyrill, and it's a very quality case company, guys. As you can see, the new classy, precise detail and all that has remained true. I done did a couple of these on my iPhone, did a couple of these on my Note. I like these cases. So let's take a look at the case, guys. So as you can see, got some nice little sides on here, got a nice little grip to it. Grip is the first part of drop protection, guys. Having something to hold on to, because you might not drop your phone. Got a nice little button press, and we're gonna probably swap those out with the yellow buttons. I like little accents, and I love how they put the Cyrill branding up around the camera bump, guys. Now, as you see, they got it raised up around the camera with that Cyrill branding. I think that's very dope. They've done, and that's not, just on this case, guys. As you can see, got a good, big, nice cutout for the speaker, the Type-C. And we got some more. We got some Cyrill branding right here on the side. You can see we got the Cyrill C, guys, and some holes for the mics up top. Nice transparent case, guys. As you can see, it's like that frosted transparent. Gonna look really good with my Phantom Gray S21, guys. So let's go ahead, drop this thing in there like so, and let's see what we're working with. Okay, let's start on the back. This presentation is very nice, guys. I love how it matched the color of the camera bezel. And I just love that Cyrill brand and how they do that, how they have it protrude and protect the cameras, but then they put that little inlay in there with that Cyrill, and how they did. Some of these camera companies, they cut all the way past the flash, and it'll just be a big hole, right? Instead of doing this little circle, they'll just bring the case out here and do that, and so you can have the flash. But this is a better insulation. I like how they did this, guys. It looks this is like a thumbnail right here. This is hot right here, guys. I'm really feeling this, guys. It's a good look. Definitely. Nice, easy button press. That's something we gotta check for, guys. Because some of these case companies, when they design these buttons and the way they attach to the case, you get a very difficult button press, and nobody likes that. Okay, guys, and we got some raised lip action. As you can see, I have no screen protect on here, but we definitely have a raised lip around the screen, guys. We definitely got some raised lip action to protect that screen. You're gonna always want that on the case, guys. So if you drop your phone on the surface, you want you know, you want the case to hit before the screen of your the screen or the display of your device, because you know that's costly, guys. You can destroy your device, be waiting on the Cyrill or whatever. You don't want to do that, guys. Nice raised lip, man. But this is something real dope, guys. I'm definitely gonna put a link down in the description. I definitely like this case, and I would definitely recommend this Cyrill TPU type case to you guys. Nice transparent back, very nice color matching. I've noticed that companies have gone away from really just when these devices drop in these different colors. I think a lot of time these companies already have designed their cases and they're not color matching. But this right here goes with the Phantom Gray so good, and I like to be matching. But I think I'm gonna put the yellow buttons in there for contrast, guys. But yeah, this shit, man, BG Tech Life, man. Appreciate you watching. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, BG_Tech Life. It's your man BG, I'm out. Peace.